Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the video. I know you guys haven't seen me in this type of video in a while, but I've got something pretty cool and easy and fun to do today, and that is installing some hood props for my first gen 4Runner. So I've had this issue for a little bit. This hood latch will not latch with my hood, and it just adds a pain in the ass. You gotta slam it down a couple times. I guess it's a common problem. And because that's happening, I said, you know what? I might as well upgrade this. Not this. It's kind of a weird way of thinking about things, but I'm not gonna upgrade this. I'm gonna adjust this, but at the same time, I'm gonna put something that will make this car more luxurious, and it's gonna turn this thing into a Lexus. And that is hood struts. I love my hood prop rod. It works fine, it never wears out, and it'll always be there. But the kit I'm about to show you guys right now from Spicker Engineering not only is a 5-year warranty, but it's also fully reversible. So if I don't like it, I'll just take it off. If they wear out, I'll just take it off or get it warranted. And then we'll just go back to the hood prop rod. But this will be fun. It's easy to do. It supposedly will take under 15 minutes. And who doesn't love installing a quick, fun mod? So I just popped the cap off. Let's see what's in this little tube. Come on, come on. Nice. So here's the two rods, here's the hardware, and here's some foam. And here we go. I don't see how this could be more than a couple pages because it's just hood prop rods, but everything looks pretty sweet. Instructions are really well done. One thing I love about the instructions is it makes me jealous. This guy's got nice black OEM little hood bumpers here. And mine look like they're about to rust away. What's up with that? Man, I wish mine were nicer, only if I did something about it, and I did. I made these things nice, brand new, took off all the rust, added some paint, and the way that they should have came from the factory. Why did Toyota not put some paint on them? That kind of sucks, but I did it now. It's all fixed and we're good to go. But the first step is to remove these bad boys right here. So let's get to it. So now we are back on track, and let's finish what we started last week. And that is putting on this bracket. And the first step is just putting a bolt in. Wow, so easy. And now another bolt, but this time with a nut on the back of it. Because the back bolt back here wasn't supposed to be used and there's no threads. Now the next step is actually putting the gas strut on, and if you don't work out, this is a 2-for-1. So this is actually to get you into shape and start working out, and I just tricked your ass. And this isn't a car video at all, this is actually a workout video.
Who's gonna carry the bolts and the logs?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up and we're gonna do our first workout, which is making sure these gas struts work properly. And it says in the instruction manual to push them down a couple times, make sure they do their job and they're not super stiff. Gotta put my weight into it. Ooh, I'm sweating already. I did that a couple times off camera, and it's a lot easier than what I made it look like. I just don't want my toes in the video because I'm wearing sandals, and that's kind of gross. But they seem to work fine, so let's put them on the car. Just like that. Now we gotta work on the top part. Now for the top part, what we want to do is we're gonna just slide this in here. Get it like that. Tighten her up a bit. This is probably an important part because you don't want to drop this middle piece in here because I'm not sure if that's gonna come out. We got it pretty tight. Now we gotta do the bottom one. This one is just a bolt and a nut. I'm gonna raise her all the way up, tighten her down, then center the bottom one. And just tighten this one up too. Give a little half turn to get tight. Man, so good. Now we're gonna release the hood prop. Lift her up a little bit. Get this bad boy. Ooh, I heard a little crack. Not bad. But now, hood prop is down. The hood struts are up. And before I finish this video, I just wanna say if you want this, go to www.preserverad. I'll also leave it down in the comments down below, and you'll find some other pretty cool stuff there too. Alrighty, let's give them the test, because they look good, but do they function good? And did I fix this thing? This was a main issue. Remember, these are just little gimmicks or the sideshow, but hopefully this thing is fixed. I don't want to buy another one of these because this thing, I mean, like, I install it, it looks the same. Come on, I don't want that. Mods are supposed to be cool, and that's not cool. I accidentally did not film the close, but let's do the open. Let's see how easy it is. One hand. I gotta put the latch here. All right, latch is undone. Okay, it's a little slow, but it gets there. Now for the real moment of truth, the close. I already did this once, but I didn't really check it. So let's give it a good close. One hand again. My problem seems to still be there. The only thing I don't like about it is they kind of go up fast and then kind of go slow. Whereas I think like if it came originally on the car, it would be like slow all the way up. So that's my only downside. But unfortunately, this thing did not work. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe down below. Join the Discord where you can find us talking about cars and video games and playing video games. And if you want to see more mods like this, just fun mods, working on cars with me, subscribe to the channel. I also do some other videos, but just subscribe to the channel. Be a bro. And I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.